Seman-Tov is a school bus company. We've been in business since 1985. I have 5 children, so to me it hits home when I have the responsibility to transport these students safely.
Seman-Tov transports 8,000 to 10,000 children every day through at least 20 districts. We do 350 routes plus. Seman-Tov has a very good group of drivers, but there's always a problem with, attention, because you're paying attention to a million things at one time, the kids, the road.
Past, we've had drivers rear-ending other cars. Our insurance rates started going up. For safety reasons, we wanted to have more control over the way drivers are driving and the way our vehicles are on the road.
Mobileye's technology helps us to be able to concentrate more on the road and be able to get the kids home safer. The different alerts that we have from Mobileye are lane departures, tailgating, alerts you if something comes running out into the path of the bus. And when you're just sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic, it'll alert you when you're getting too close to the vehicle in front of you.
When you're loading, unloading children, Mobileye will tell you if there's a car coming, so you can be prepared, you can pay attention, you can act more quickly if there's going to be an incident.
When the kids are bouncing around the back of the bus, if I move my eyes for 30 seconds, I could have a car in front of me. So Mobileye has helped in more ways than you can imagine when it comes down to possibly having a collision, and that's what it's meant to do.
And it gives you that distance where you're putting the children's safety in #1 priority.
We saw a definite reduction in front-end collisions. We're down, I would say, at least 50 to 60%. Definitely saw a reduction in insurance loss runs, so we're hoping next year to see significant savings on insurance.
I think Mobileye can be a game changer for the transportation industry because it keeps everybody safer.
And I honestly think that it would be really helpful if they were in every bus across the United States, because it might save multiple children's lives.
For Mobileye, we have a second set of eyes on the road for us to help us control the kids plus control the road.